perfect cups require a perfect fence, one that delivers precision, stability, and adaptability. If your fence isn't true, your results won't be either. The TSO MultiFunction Workbench Fence and Stop Set ensures every cut is accurate, repeatable, and easy to set up. So you can focus on your craft, not measuring and marking every workpiece. Built for precision, this fence features laser-engraved imperial and metric scales, a robust dual-arm flip-stop for repeatable cuts, a low-profile material support plate fitting underneath your guide rail which permits cutting of material as thin as 1/4 inch, and a unique design that mounts either upright or flat, so it can adapt to your workflow. Upright, the fence provides maximum material support and shows off a high-visibility, laser-engraved scale, starting at 7 7/8 inch to account for the width of your guide rail. This makes setting up track saw crosscuts quick and effortless. In the flat position, the fence sits lower for tasks like rounding and domino joinery. The rear engraving starts at 0, making it easy to set precise end stops for grooves or mortises. Need to make a cut beyond your fence's capacity? No problem. With both fence dogs clamped from underneath the table, slide the fence leftward, extending it off the edge of your work surface. Add our optional material support bracket and you have a great solution for supporting workpieces wider than your table. When it comes to angled cuts, the TSO fence has you covered. Simply position the fence dogs at a 45-degree angle, or use our optional triangle to fence attachment, along with a TSO precision triangle to dial in a precise angle. Whether you're upgrading your Festool MFT 3, setting up a DIY track saw cutting station, or need a precise router or domino guide, the TSO Fence System is the perfect upgrade for your worktop. Learn more at tsoproducts.com.